You're working on the ranch, that's gonna happen from time to time. Very simple to get off. I got the wiper motor and arm, all the grind. Ooh, I forgot I had this in there, so let's pop it on there. That was very quick. Watch this. That I got. We're running it like that. These are moving. Center, those bolts got to be centered up. Guys, I'm back doing my siesta. But I did not put it up there. I forgot to. Sorry. It's a little bit of a struggle. That damn door is heavier than shit. Wiper arm, and about got it in the same position it was at. This panel here is already gone, so don't worry about that. So let me find this is the right one. Oh God almighty. It works. So I'd say it probably needs some. I mean, I'm one that's curious what I'm using to put that window on there. This right here, 3M window weld. Pretty good ways down there.